It's a baby turtle. So let's go. That baby turtle was cute. By the way, look at these fish. Dude! What the? Even some cat. By the way, I see some little ducks. They're not baby ducks. Rabbits, cute. By the way, some hamsters. Also, I saw something weird. Weird. I made you laugh. I'll show you some other creatures. You saw those white birds. Now you saw a giant and a black one. Also, look at the red fishes. Look, the red fishes. Yup. That's like a shark fish. Where did it go? Oh. I saw something. Dude. I also saw some wolves. Look. Wait, I saw the cat in there too. No, it's not a dog. I mean, it's a dog, but it's not a cat. I'm sweating. Oops. Yes. Let's come on already. There we go. By the way, let's see some more creatures. That was scary. Are you serious? There's some regular sized thing. By the way, right there, it's like a hedgehog bird. It's like a hedgehog bird, like Sonic the Hedgehog. Oh, look at those. Those are cute birds. And those are a little bit regular sizes. Whoa. I dodged that! Yeet! Hey, I can actually look. You're looking at the other way. Are you looking at me? That's weird. I mean, that's... It's a blue one. It's a blue parrot. Oh, that it looks... I mean, they look like scary Larry. Wait, that's a parrot. Copy. Hello? Why is that parrot trying to escape? Look. The parrot will start escaping. Not anymore. Look at the view. I was lying that I was going alone. I was lying. I was lying.
Stop recording the test.
Guys, I'm saying goodbye for now. I'll see you in the next version of this video.